Hi YouTube, I haven't made a video in a while, but got a new project, almost finished. Well, it's like half finished. It's mostly a two-part thing, but it's the Tonearm and eventually an entire turntable that is supposed to get as close to a DJ quality thing as possible, so speed adjust, reverse capabilities, and so far the whole point is being just used parts from the hi-fi turntables to make this DJ one. So this is a close-up of the arm. You can see the inner and outer gimbal work. Oh, hit the camera. The outer gimbal does the lateral translation, and the inner gimbal does the vertical translation. Now I wasn't sure which one to do which originally. Some turntables run it like this, where the outside does the vertical and the inside does the lateral. But looking at most like Technics and dual turntables, they run it like this, so I thought I'd copy that. Makes it easier. The arm itself is pretty simple. You can see even the wires run on the outside. It is tubular, so it is quite light, tubular aluminum, but I run them external. It's using a Shure cartridge and just sort of wire, very light wire, shielded with latex, so it's incredibly light. I tried using other wire, but that failed. Here you can actually see detail of the base too, the 3 supports and then 2 bolts that bolt to the outer gimbal chassis. These are the bearing adjustments, set how much pinch you want. The outer gimbal is quite nice. Because it's a C, it flexes a bit, so you can get really precise setting how much you want it to slosh. But the inner gimbal, since it's still a box, quite stiff. See, the inner gimbal was drilled out for weight, and its brass adjuster was replaced with an aluminum one. So it's incredibly light. The weight is simply a 6mm threaded rod screwed into the back of the arm with a brass weight on it that is used to set the needle weight. As for the output, I just stole this off another turntable and used its output. The base can adjust the tilt of the outer gimbal, as well as this bolt in here can do major adjustments to the needle angle. Currently it does run no skating, anti-skating adjuster. I want to make some sort of adjustable weight that sticks forward off the inner gimbal so that when the gimbal is tilted it will create a rotating torque that will counter the skating force. And currently I'm just using this Technics linear Tonearm turntable, and I've just tricked it to play with the lid open so that I can mount this or use it as a testing turntable for this. Eventually an entire turntable will be built. I have a USB control that will be used to run pulse width modulation on a DC motor, which will get the speed down pat. So it'll be fully adjustable like most DJ turntables, be able to go in reverse. Yes, a Tonearm.